The importance of record-keeping in food safety compliance. Title: The importance of record-keeping in food safety compliance. Introduction, 100 words. In the food industry, ensuring the safety of our food supply is of utmost importance. Unhealthy food can have severe consequences, leading to illnesses and even fatalities. Food safety compliance is a critical aspect of maintaining high standards in the industry, and record-keeping plays a pivotal role. Keeping accurate, up-to-date records is not only a legal requirement but also a fundamental key. Art of effective food safety management. This article explores the significance of record-keeping in food safety compliance and how it helps in preventing foodborne illnesses and maintaining consumer trust. The role of record-keeping in food safety compliance, 300 words. Record-keeping is a central component of effective food safety compliance programs. It involves documenting crucial information related to the various stages of food production, processing, and distribution. These records provide a comprehensive view of the steps taken to ensure food safety, traceability, and accountability. Firstly, record-keeping ensures transparency and enables regulatory bodies to track compliance with food safety regulations. By maintaining records, food establishments can demonstrate that they are following the necessary protocols and best practices required to ensure food safety. During inspections or audits, these records serve as evidence that the necessary precautions have been taken, and corrective actions have been implemented when necessary. Furthermore, keeping accurate records facilitates effective traceability, which is crucial during foodborne illness outbreaks or product recalls. In the event of an outbreak or contamination, quick identification of the source is vital to prevent further illnesses. Properly maintained records enable investigators to trace the origin of the contaminated product and take swift action, mitigating potential risks and protecting public health. The benefits of record-keeping in food safety compliance, 500 words. 1. Preventing foodborne illnesses. Record-keeping plays a vital role in preventing foodborne illnesses. By documenting key information, such as temperatures during processing, storage, and transportation, businesses can identify potential issues and address them promptly. Accurate records enable the identification of trends or patterns that can indicate potential risks, allowing proactive measures to be taken to prevent contamination. Tie-in or spoilage. 2. Ensuring compliance with regulations. Complying with food safety regulations is essential for every food establishment. Accurate record-keeping ensures that businesses meet legal requirements. Regular review and analysis of records help identify areas of non-compliance, enabling corrective actions to be taken promptly. By maintaining comprehensive records, businesses stay up to date with changing regulations, enhancing their ability to pass inspections and audits with ease. 3. Enhancing consumer trust. Consumers today are becoming increasingly concerned about the safety of the food they consume. Maintaining accurate records demonstrates a commitment to food safety, instilling confidence in consumers. When a food business can provide detailed records that show the steps taken to ensure safety, consumers are more likely to trust the products they are purchasing. This trust not only strengthens the relationship between the business and its customers but also enhances the reputation of the entire food industry. 4. Improving efficiency and effectiveness. Records provide valuable information that businesses can use to improve their operations. These improvements can enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and ultimately contribute to the overall effectiveness of food safety management systems. The continuing importance of record-keeping in food safety compliance, 400 words. As the food industry continues to evolve and face new challenges, the importance of record-keeping in food safety compliance remains paramount. In recent years, there have been significant advancements in technology that have made it easier for businesses to capture and store data. Digital systems and automation can streamline record-keeping processes, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. One of the key benefits of digital record-keeping is the ease of data retrieval. In the event of an inspection or audit, having records readily accessible can expedite the process and demonstrate compliance. Digital systems also allow for real-time monitoring, enabling businesses to identify any deviations from the required standards and take immediate corrective actions. In addition to compliance and traceability, accurate record-keeping can also aid in the identification of areas of improvement. By analyzing data trends and patterns, businesses can identify potential opportunities to enhance their food safety management systems. This data-driven approach can lead to better decision-making, resulting in more effective preventive measures. Moreover, record-keeping is not limited to just operational processes. It also encompasses documentation of staff training and certifications. By maintaining records of employee training sessions and qualifications, businesses can ensure that their staff members are adequately trained in food safety practices. This not only enhances compliance but also contributes to a culture of continuous improvement and professional development. While the benefits of record-keeping are clear, challenges may arise in implementing and maintaining effective systems. Businesses must invest in appropriate technology and infrastructure to support record-keeping efforts. They should also develop clear guidelines and protocols to ensure consistent and standardized documentation across all areas of the operation. Regular audits and reviews of record-keeping practices should be conducted to identify any gaps or areas for improvement. This feedback loop is essential to address any deficiencies and continually enhance the integrity of the records. Continuing the importance of record-keeping in food safety compliance, 500 words. 5. Facilitating continuous improvement. Maintaining accurate records allows businesses to track their performance over time. By analyzing historical data, businesses can identify areas for improvement and implement corrective measures. Save records serve as a benchmark to evaluate the effectiveness of any changes made. Continuous improvement is a crucial aspect of food safety compliance, as it enables businesses to stay ahead of emerging risks and challenges. 6. Ensuring supplier accountability. Record-keeping extends beyond a food establishment's internal processes. It also includes documentation related to suppliers and their compliance with food safety standards. Keeping thorough records of supplier certifications, audits, and inspections ensures that only reputable and compliant suppliers are engaged. This not only protects the business from potential risks but also ensures the integrity of the entire supply chain. 7. Supporting legal defense. Accurate records can also serve as vital evidence in legal proceedings. In the event of a food safety incident or litigation, well-maintained records can help establish the due diligence of a business. In ensuring safety and compliance. This documentation can support the defense against any claims or allegations, protecting the reputation and financial stability of the business. 8. Encouraging risk assessment and management. Records provide valuable information for conducting comprehensive risk assessments. By analyzing data captured in records, businesses can identify potential hazards, evaluate their likelihood, and